Ever wished you could access your earnings the moment a sale goes through? Like right now? It's a common frustration for businesses, especially smaller ones, to have to wait days, sometimes even weeks, to get paid. This delay can seriously impact cash flow, making it tough to manage expenses and invest in growth. Well, what if I told you there's a solution that can put your money in your hands almost instantly? We're talking about instant payouts, and today we're diving deep into what that means specifically for Lightspeed users. Hi everyone and welcome. Today we're tackling a question I get asked a lot. What is instant payout on Lightspeed? It's a game changer for businesses, and by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how it works, the benefits it offers, and whether it's the right fit for your business. First, let's back up a little and talk about traditional payment processing. Typically, when a customer makes a purchase, the money doesn't land directly in your bank account. Instead, it goes through a payment processor, think Visa, MasterCard, or your merchant services provider. They hold onto the funds for a certain period, often a few business days, before depositing them into your account. This delay is the standard across many platforms. It's just how things have always been done. But instant payout flips this model on its head. Instead of waiting days, you get access to your funds almost immediately after the transaction is completed. We're talking seconds or minutes, not days. Imagine the difference that can make to your business. Now, how does this work with Lightspeed? Lightspeed, as many of you know, is a powerful point-of-sale and e-commerce platform used by businesses of all sizes. They've partnered with various payment processors to offer integrated instant payout solutions. The specifics can vary depending on your chosen processor and your business setup, so it's always best to contact Lightspeed or your payment processor directly to get the precise details for your situation. However, the general principle remains the same. When a customer pays, the funds are routed through the chosen processor, and instead of being held, they are swiftly deposited into your designated account. This designated account is crucial. Instant payouts typically require a specific type of account that can handle these rapid transfers. This might be a special business bank account or a dedicated account with the payment processor itself. It's not usually your standard personal checking account. So, one of the first steps in setting up instant payouts with Lightspeed is ensuring you have the right kind of account in place. Now, let's talk about the benefits of instant payouts. Why is this such a big deal? Improved cash flow. This is the most obvious advantage. Access to your earnings immediately means you have more working capital readily available. You can pay suppliers faster, cover unexpected expenses, and invest in growth opportunities without waiting for funds to clear. This is especially helpful for businesses with tight margins or those experiencing rapid growth. Reduced risk. Think about it. The longer your money sits with a third-party processor, the greater the, albeit small, risk of something going wrong. Instant payouts minimize this risk by getting your money into your account quickly. Better financial management. Real-time access to your funds gives you a clearer picture of your financial position. You can track your sales and expenses more accurately, make informed decisions about inventory and staffing, and generally have a better handle on your business finances. Increased flexibility. Imagine you have a sudden opportunity to purchase inventory at a discount, but you're waiting for payments to clear. With instant payouts, you can seize these opportunities without hesitation. This agility can be a significant competitive advantage. Enhanced customer experience. While not directly related to the customer, instant payouts can indirectly improve the customer experience. Faster access to funds can allow you to restock popular items more quickly, ensuring you always have what your customers want. It can also free up time spent chasing payments, allowing you to focus on providing better service. Now, let's address some common questions and potential drawbacks. Are there fees associated with instant payouts? In most cases, yes. Payment processors typically charge a small fee for this expedited service. This fee can be a flat amount per transaction or a percentage of the transaction value. It's crucial to understand these fees upfront and factor them into your cost calculations. Compare the fees from different processors to find the best deal for your business. Is instant payout available for all businesses? Not necessarily. Eligibility can depend on several factors, including your business type, transaction volume, credit history, and the specific policies of the payment processor. Some processors might have restrictions on certain types of businesses or require a minimum processing volume to qualify for instant payouts. Are there any limitations on the amount that can be paid out instantly? Potentially, yes. Some processors might have daily or transaction limits on instant payouts. Again, this is something you'll need to discuss with your chosen processor. What happens if there's a problem with a transaction? Even with instant payouts, refunds and chargebacks can still occur. The process for handling these will vary depending on the processor and your agreement with them. It's important to understand how these situations are handled before you implement instant payouts. How do I set up instant payouts with Lightspeed? The best way to get started is to contact Lightspeed directly or reach out to your current payment processor. They can walk you through the setup process, explain the requirements, and answer any specific questions you have. They can also help you determine which payment processors offer instant payout integrations with Lightspeed. It's also worth noting that instant payouts are not a one-size-fits-all solution. While it offers significant advantages for many businesses, it might not be necessary for everyone. If you have a very predictable cash flow and are comfortable with waiting a few days for your funds, then traditional payment processing might be sufficient. However, if you're a fast-growing business, operate on tight margins, or simply value the convenience of instant access to your earnings, then instant payouts are definitely worth exploring. Before making any decisions, do your research. Compare the fees, terms, and conditions of different payment processors. Talk to other businesses that are using instant payouts and get their feedback. And, of course, contact Lightspeed directly to discuss your options and ensure that instant payouts are compatible with your current setup. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.